Behind this car is like trying to go around, but like, yeah, this is why you go to traffic speed, not your speed. Because if you go your speed, that's actually dangerous. Because something like this could happen and someone might hit you. If they're driving at the speed limit where everyone else is going faster, that's either one, they're not around here, two, they're old, 3, they're new, 4, they're distracted, 5, they're scared. It's old. Can I help you with something? You're on your phone and you're slowly going forward. Yeah, not a good combination. Let's see, people. They actually just get up even more. You see, she's just on her phone, looking down, not paying attention of where of how close she still need to get. I need 10 feet of space over here, okay? Okay. I don't need you to be on your phone, okay? You getting creeping up on my... I don't need that. Oh my god. Oh, that's a crash. No? What happened? Somebody moved. Almost hit someone. You have a right turn signals. I'm so now. Oh god, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh, okay, good. Okay, that wasn't right. I saw that truck stopping. I was like, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Woo, made it alive. Hella slow, dude. You could cause an accident. Yes, in Arizona, you can literally cause an accident for going too slow. Yeah. Oh my god. That whole lane is closed. My god. There's like 5 accidents there. Oh, that sounds horrible. Is it power steering or something? You can spark plugs, power steering, I don't know. If you continue to do that like an idle, or when you start it up, that's the spark plugs, or it could be pulley. No, when that happens, when you first start it up, that's your spark plug. And just keep doing that, that's your pulley. If you try to make a turn and make that, it makes that noise, that's your power steering. AEC certified, because I know.